Africa Higher Education Centers of Excellence for Development Impact, ACE Impact Project, invites all 53 center leaders and key officials, vice chancellors of host universities, government officials, project steering committee members, industry and global partners, and other key African higher education stakeholders to the 11th ACE Impact Regional Workshop. Co-organized by the World Bank, the Association of African Universities, and the French Development Agency, this virtual workshop will take place from Monday, April 29th to Tuesday, April 30th, 2024. The workshop, bringing together approximately 500 higher education stakeholders and experts, aims to review the project's performance, provide technical and operational implementation support, identify challenges, plan the next steps, and chart a sustainable path for the project. The workshop will also provide an opportunity for a briefing for the subsequent African Centers of Excellence International Partnerships Workshop, scheduled for May 2024. Day 1 of the 2-day workshop will feature a project steering committee meeting, technical and operational implementation support sessions, as well as sessions on monitoring and evaluation, procurement, financial management, and environmental and social safeguards. Day 2 will focus on project and verification updates. Don't miss this opportunity to be part of this knowledge-sharing event. Register now to participate in the 11th ACE Impact Regional Workshop. ACE Impact, advancing the quality and quantity of postgraduate education in Africa.